Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial of CAM350 software. So first we open CAM350 software and I'm already import two Gerber and one NC layer. This is my one Gerber number 2, and this is my NC layer. And in this video we go on NC editor, and in NC editor we show you these two options: short drill hits and short mill paths. How to use this two function in this software, and why we use this function in PCB design or in PCB production house. So first we take short drill hits, and after this we see about short mill path. So first we open my NC layer. This is my NC layer, and we go on drill table. This is my drill table. We have tool 9 1 to 9, and this is size, and this is my count 174 79 like this. So here in production house I will load this program on my machine, CNC drill machine, and the machine have some unique path for drilling. Like first machine take my tool number 1. This is tool number 1 and size is 3.2, and it have the 8 drill hit, and it is here in this program. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So machine have some path, like we hit first drill here, second here, third here. If machine is take fourth drill hit here, and fifth is here, sixth here, 7 here, then the path for machine like from here to here, and this the path is if I am not set path of machine, then machine is automatically take a path, then the duration of drilling is very large. But in this CAM350 software we have one option, and we set a path of this machine drilling. So for this we go on utility and go on short drill hits. So we get we have this option like this. This is my drill layer, and layer number 3, and sorting here, scan X, scan Y, and closest. Here we have 3 options. Scan X, this is in this software or any CNC machine or any routing machine, it is work on XY coordinate. So this is my X, this is my in XY coordinate we have 2 axes, like X axis and Y axis. So in this software this is my origin, and this is my X axis in horizontal, and this is my Y axis in vertical. So if I am set my scan X, then the machine is take like this drill. After that we find the minimum distance in my X axis. So here minimum distance is here, and after this we second time we scan this drill and take a minimum path in X axis. So you also take here this minimum path from here is like here and here. So we click on it. Okay, and now we path. Here we select on scan X. So my first drill is here, and here the nearby drill is here. This is second by, and here to near is in go minus, and near is here. After that machine is take this wall, and after here, and this. So it is so machine is make a path of machine if I am go on utility short drill, and here I am sorting scheme is scan X, then the machine is make a path as reference as X axis, and if I am select Y axis, then path is reference to my Y axis. So here my path is from here first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is my second option, and in my third option, if I may take closest, it is closest it is reference to x, reference to y. In closest axis it is all reference x and y. It is in closest option, it takes the closest hole. It is in x axis or y axis. So in most of production house we don't use scan x or scan y. In most of case we use closest option for our speed, of CNC machine or any drilling machine. So I'm select on closest and okay. So this is my closest path. If I want to know about this drill it, then I click on it. So it is take a closest part, like start from here and take as a closest hole, nearest hole in xy or yy in closest option. So in general we take closest x and closest option, not use we scan x and scan y. So this is my sword drill head, and now we see about sword mill path. It is same as a drill heads, but we see it in. So here we have not any mill path. So first we make a mill path of my copper layer. So this is my mill path, and if I want to set my mill path, then I'm going to sort mill path, and so here we have just one drill bit, and it is my mill path. Start from here and here. So guys, this is a video of utility, and we have the short drill it and short mill path, and how to we see in this how to set drill hit and mill path and use of drill hit and mill path. So thank you guys.